Hey yo boys, it's your boy Mosaic right in front of your screen, and he's seeing a 5 minute chart of Bitcoin. And yeah, if you see this, I didn't took a trade, but I just kept this panel to like if it does give a momentum, and like yes, it did. The reason behind this is the New York Open between the London, and this created some really good volumes. That's the whole reason this move did happen, and I really didn't took a trade, and my fund account is stuck at that point, and I'm looking forward to wait for my setup like the market to come till here so that I can buy at this point, and like yeah, just like that. The reason behind is the market is bullish, and it's giving me some entry model like yeah, no breakout structures and the same swing shift, the same market slowdown which I needed to see. And here is the always working model. Let's see if it works this time or not. So yeah, let's just analyze and let you through what all is happening. Okay, here we've got ourselves with, let me just hide it. Okay, like a wick, which could be an entry model. Inside this wick we could spot an good entry towards the sell side, cause the market hasn't really like confirmed that it is bullish or bearish. So yeah, we can just really take out the bias. But yeah, the bias is bullish for today, and to get ourselves a buy side entry to make a really good move, we do need to wick the, I mean, yeah, we do need to wait for the market to come till this wick and like to make a trap from out of it towards the upside. Sorry guys. So yep, that's the whole thing, and like the market is kind of slowed down after that unexpected move which I did just missed, but it didn't really cause. Yeah, after that missing the move, there's been a lot of consolidation which you can see, and like in the 5 minutes you just see a bunch of consolidation. And if this did really work out, the market would just begin to start rising from this point, or if it didn't rise from this point, it will be falling like crazy. I'm telling you, man. Like uh, let me show you this 60 minutes time frame, hide all of this, and yeah, like if you see this, if the market uh, it just break this structure, creating another higher high till here, but this is the swing range. If it did make it a breakout of it, there will be a break of structure till here. The market can retrace, and like somewhere around here we could get an entry if the market does a breakout off of this level, right, like here. So yeah, I will just wait for it to happen. Until then, yeah, you just need to chill, yeah, just like that. And like you don't have to worry about any crap. Like yes, you see the Sydney session has really opened, but I don't think it does give a really big move. And yeah, it could give a move, for example like this. After a really good move, the Sydney does continue it, and Tokyo, London just consolidated, and I'm waiting for a sweep off of it this level, like yeah, to get a sell entry. But wait, I said my bias is bullish, and like yeah, if you remember this, I've, oh my god, what is this? Okay, we could get an entry from this week, right, like here. So yeah, that's the whole reason I could be selling from here. Upon all of the sweeps of the sessions, I could get a sell side trade. And yeah, the all of the technicals also are showing me it could really happen after this move. If this move didn't happen, yeah, that's going to be the sure move, that like just the market just goes up and makes a trap out of it and removes the buyers from these points and like continue the sell off till like somewhere around here or even here. So yeah, I may be even wrong. The market couldn't do either of those things. But yeah, you should have a sense of a trader, which is, yes, you should develop it by just staring at your charts. Like, yes, like whenever you're free, this, that, and like, yes, you should have a sense of a trader. Okay, let me say this as a line. Okay, sorry. You have to have a sense of a trader to become profitable and have to see the future, which, yeah, makes you a lot of money. And like that, no more yapping. So yeah, this is the first scenario which could really happen. Or the Sydney session is open, which is does not really matter. I think it does gives a sweep like this, and the Tokyo session opens like 5:30. We'll get a sell side trade, or if it didn't happen at the Sydney session, it just continues to fall down, makes a trap, and then the Tokyo session opens. We'll take the trade. So yeah, that's the thing. And like, yeah, there's analysis of the Bitcoin. Let's head to the gold chart. Like, hello, what is happening? Let's just open our sessions indicator. Sessions indicator. Oh, yeah, like the market is consolidating. Either of the sweep. I prefer to get a sweep of the buy side. Like, yeah, the market just comes like here. Yeah, let me just draw it. The market just comes like here or even here, and then creates a move towards the upside, which could be having more potential than towards the sell side. Cause yeah, like the market has fall, and like these all levels will just become the supply exhaustion levels. So yeah, I just need to see this move, a sweep out of this level, and if the gold comes here, you can just buy. And I'm not saying that it's going to work 100%. Yeah, it's never the chance of 100%. There's always a 50-50% chance. You have to take either of this or that chance. So yeah, you know what all criteria do it needs to make an entry towards the buy side if the gold comes here. And if you don't know, what are you doing with your life, man? Like, yeah, seriously, just watch my previous videos, analysis videos. Like, I've said everything. Like, yeah, you just need to get a slow side momentum till here. Wait for a really good volume candle. Yeah, yeah, volume candle. And like, it does made a shift of a level, and like, just like that, you do get an entry. So at the Bitcoin, like, I just need to wait for my entry. So yes, so yeah, let me just give you some tasks, so which you can do. Yeah, now based off of your intelligent mind, yeah, I guess the market where it could potentially go from this point. Like, even you have heard the analysis of what I just analyzed. So yeah, upon hearing that, you do need to say that, yeah, where could the market go? Yeah, just comment it, and I'll see that and tell you the reason if you are right or if you are wrong. So yeah, and I've got another thing for you to do. Go on Google or YouTube, search hedge funds and get some information about hedge funds, like how do they trade, how do they manage their setups, what is the psychology, like the way they analyze the markets and the mindset that they have. So that's the work for you to today. Yeah, you have to do it. If you aren't, why even are you? Okay, yeah, let's just move on. And yeah, like, what can we do more? How much time it is become? Like 10 minutes. So yeah, let's just not make it boring. So yeah, this is the trade idea which could really play out, and yeah, I could be even wrong. At this point of the market, it's really hard for the market to just uh, give this move which I just said, but this liquidity, like, yeah, this momentum is still there in the market if it does that move. And like, you can really see this momentum has been like, what you say, weakened up cause of these levels. And if it did really make a breakout out of this level, you just need to watch the market. Don't trade, don't do anything. If you see a sell side trade, yeah, that's your trade. Like, yeah, you just need to stare at your screen. That's gonna give you a lot of knowledge about the markets. So yeah, like, there's nothing much of to say like right now. And yeah, by that being said, signing off, Mosaic Trader.